Developing an informed strategy before investing can make it easier to reach your financial goals. Here are the basic steps you need to consider in this process. 1. Evaluate your financial situation. Having a clear financial picture, it helps you understand how much you can invest and what risks you can take. Consider your debts, income, expenses, and savings. 2. Determine your investment goals. Determine the purpose and duration of the investment. Long-term goals. It may require different investment tools and strategies. 3. Risk understanding and tolerance. High return potential is generally associated with high risk. Understanding your own risk tolerance will help you choose appropriate investment options. 4. Diversification. Divide your portfolio into various asset classes. You can reduce the risk by spreading it across sectors and geographies. 5. Doing research. Carefully research potential investments and market conditions. This allows you to make informed decisions. 6. Think long-term. Investing is generally considered a best long-term strategy. Instead of focusing on market fluctuations, focus on long-term goals. 7. Get professional consultancy. If you are not sure about investing, you may consider getting help from a financial advisor. A professional consultant can create a suitable investment plan for you. Education and information. The investment world is constantly changing. Staying up to date and making informed decisions. Invest in education and knowledge. 9. Avoid making emotional decisions. Instead of reacting emotionally to market fluctuations, make logical, research-based decisions. 10. Regular review and adjustment. Review your investment portfolio regularly and adjust if necessary. Changes in market conditions, your personal situation, or your goals may require you to update your strategy. By following these steps, you can build a solid foundation for achieving your financial goals, and potentially, you can minimize the risks. Being careful and conscious at every step is the key to a successful investment journey. If you like our video, please don't forget to press the like button. This is a great support for small channels like us. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of our video. Your ideas are very valuable to us.